channel Sip and Snacks. Today we are going to make restaurant style Patiala chicken at home, or commonly known as Nutty Chicken. So without further delay, let's begin with the recipe. For today's recipe, I took 200 grams of chicken. Firstly, we will marinate the chicken with some curds. Here I took half bowl of plain curd. Into this we'll add our masalas, that is red chilli powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder. And 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix the chicken nicely and keep aside the marinated chicken. Here I put a pan in low to medium flame and we are going to dry roast our peanuts. There is no fixed measurement of peanuts, just take a handful of it because our chicken is nutty, so we need lots of nuts in it. I have soaked some cashews and almonds. Now we will make a nice paste of all the nuts together. Keep the paste aside. In the same pan, I am adding some oil and I will be mixing with some ghee. You can take old ghee or oil, it's up to your choice. And some whole spices like cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. We'll saute it nicely. Here I took 1 medium sized onion diced. We'll fry it for some time. We'll add some chopped capsicum. We don't have to over fry these things, just we'll turn it lightly brown in color. Here I took some tomatoes chopped and frying the veggies well. Add some salt. We just have to make our veggies soft. When our veg became soft, we'll add some milk and put the flame in medium and cover and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we'll take some portion of the veg mix out, like 20% of the veg mix, and in the same pan, we will be adding our marinated chicken. Our chicken is marinated for 20 to 30 minutes. That's enough marination for chicken. Minimum 15 minutes marination is okay. Put the flame in high and fry the chicken nicely. In the meantime, in a bowl, take the nut paste our veg mix and 3 tablespoons of curd. Give a nice mix to it. Once the chicken gets boiled, we will add this mix to our curry. Now let's come back to the chicken. What I have done, in the nut paste bowl, I added some water and poured that water in the chicken. Let's not waste anything. I'm covering the chicken and cooking for 10 minutes. Let the chicken boil nicely. Once the chicken gets boiled, we'll add the nut mixture. Give it a mix. Add some water. cover and cook for 2 minutes. Check for the gravy consistency you need. I want the gravy to be little bit dry, so we'll cook for some time. Take it out in a bowl. Now here I mixed some homemade cream with some tomato sauce and in garnishing it with it. You can skip this step if you want. And I'm sprinkling some roasted peanuts over it. Our nutty chicken, or you can say Patiala chicken, is ready to serve. Enjoy!
Thank you for watching the video. Give a try to this recipe. If you like it, hit the like button, share with your family and friends, and show some love and subscribe to my channel.